As you can see, my closet is a mess, and so is my desk, and so is my dresser, and so is the floor in front of my desk. I have a very long list of things that I would like to get done. I also have a stack of clothes on my bed that you're also sitting on. And for me to put those away efficiently, I need to clean out my closet. So I'm just gonna go through and grab a couple things that I know I haven't worn in a long time, and we're gonna be collecting to-go pile. Having merchandise from your own business is hard because I used to wear these every day, but I don't wear them every day anymore. So they are going to be stuck over here in the pajama shirt pile until I figure out what I'm doing with them. I really like this shirt, but I don't like how far down it goes, and it's from Shein, so I don't know. I also like this shirt. My mom bought it for me, and I've never actually like worn it, but I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know I don't know if I like the way that my arms look in it. And then same with this one. This black one here, I tried it on when I bought it and it fit well, but now it doesn't fit well. It squeezes my boobies. See, and this is cute. And I wore it for a while, but I really don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I have to wear a bra with it, and I don't like that. I guess I'm keeping this one. Okay. This one is also kind of cute, and I like it. It's not as tight as I thought it was. I just don't know. Like, am I supposed to wear a strapless bra with this? Can somebody tell me? I don't know. I'm keeping this one. But like, I don't know. It's cute. Kind of makes me feel like I look like I'm wearing pajamas. And I don't know how to style this. I think that like this looks like pajamas. How do you style these? Like this? What am I doing? I don't know. Do I open them more buttons? I don't know. But sometimes, especially with short hair, when I wear collared shirts, I feel like I look like a Karen. I don't want to do that. This one is an art project that I never finished, so I'm taking it out of my closet so I can finish it. And this is like a sweater dress. I don't understand. How do you style this? I don't know anything, guys. Is that even, do I just get rid of this? What? It's very comfortable. And I don't want to get rid of it because it's very comfortable, but how do I style it? I don't like feeling like I'm getting dressed in a stranger's closet every day. This is for snowboarding. I'm not going snowboarding anytime soon. It's actually my windbreaker from marching band, and it still fits. Not bad. Mine's 4. Really? Really? Ah! Bro, if you could stop, that'd be really cool. So now I have jackets, sweaters, long sleeves. I have dresses. I have underclothes, long pants, dress shirts, work shirts, regular t-shirts, oversized shirts, crop tops, and tank tops. And I didn't really get anything out of my closet like to give away, but I am going to put some stuff in other places and try to hang more shit in my closet.